You want to see a really cool urban garden in action? Then you've come across the right channel. All right, everybody, welcome to another episode of The Urban Gardener. I want to thank you all so much for joining me here today on this really exciting episode. Now, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. Follow along with more garden adventures as we continue growing here on The Urban Gardener. In fact, hit that bell notification to be notified of upcoming episodes. Today, patch of garlic that we grew out this last year. Let's get that done. All right now.
Fire has been put out, and let's take it back.
You can see all around me here, all of the great, wonderful varieties of different pumpkins, squash, melons. They've got tomatoes, peppers, they're showing carrots, all sorts of things. I was saying about coming out to the National Heirloom Expo, you never know who you're gonna run into.
Unless you read the schedule.
So very true. Well, we've got Doug and Stacy from Off Grid with Doug and Stacy here at the expo. I got to meet up with one of my new favorite YouTubers on YouTube right now. This is Jason. And what's your channel, Jason?
Sow the Land YouTube channel.
He's got these cool shirts here you can go and check out. What Mr. Josh Cunnings from Boogie Brew.
How you doing, guys?
But we're really lucky to have a chance to talk with Wendy Fan, a fellow YouTuber who nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks for joining me today here on The Urban Gardener, and today we're looking to get a blood orange tree. Say hi.
Nice shirt.
Nice shirt. Here in Northern California at John Kohler's front yard garden, and we've been invited out. Really wonderful tour of this great, famous urban garden here, the Urban Homestead. We are up on the rooftop at Noble Rot Restaurant and Wine Bar in Portland, Oregon.
I mean, he wants them as kind of small, almost like filet meat.
Hello, welcome to Patrice's Projects.
I saw the garden, I was like, oh, this is great, really cool out front. I didn't realize that you really had this much growing on here. This is an excellent research. Really enjoyed that. Right out of the yard, there ain't nothing better than really urban gardening and being able to eat right out of your own yard. Introduced to you my friend from Norway, Christopher Bransdahl on YouTube. How you doing, Chris?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
Buddy, here we are in Kay's Cozy Corner with Kay Cottrell from the Kay Cottrell Late Bloomer Urban Garden.
Organic Garden Show.
Organic Garden Show, yes.
Heirloom Expo 8th annual.
I watch your videos, man.
Oh,
How you
dude.
doing?
Cool, and that's actually one of the reasons why I love this event so much is because I get to meet so many fans and people.
Garden, and you could tell that they really admired what you did there.
Thank you.
And what you were doing there for them. And it is that personal interaction. So much for showing us around your garden here. You got a really cool garden.
Thank you.
Really great use of space. I love the raised beds. Got just a massive array of a lot of things. There's just no way we would have been able to actually cover and do video of all of it.
It's really interesting about what you say, being that I've been immersed in it my whole life. The people are fascinating people, whether it's on a trade.
continue to grow into the season. I'll see you all in the very next episode. All right, let's just do this one. Let's see if we can get it all in one take. We can do it all in one take. But, hey, everybody, welcome to another channel. Another channel. And please, messed that up. I messed that up. We went through them all. Blah blah blah. Tree service is out right now, so I hope everybody can hear me all right. Taking care of all of our tomato plants that needed to get put out. And then you got people honking horns and all that. Motorcycles, all of it. Airplanes. That is, there's an airplane too. Look at that.